How to transfer ownership to another account on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to transfer ownership to another account on Discord. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Discord app. But before we proceed, you might be wondering what is Discord. So Discord, like Facebook Messenger and Twitter, in which you can send messages and also join calls. What I can give or suggest on Discord is that you may be able to screen share, or also you may be able to add bots such as the Hydra bot and many other bots in which you can use or utilize for your productivity, for entertainment, and many more. So let's begin. So go to the server that you want to transfer the ownership. But before that, you should also make sure that you are the owner of the server. And then now, once you are in the server, go to this arrow right here, the drop down arrow. So click on it and then click on um, server settings, the third option. So click on server settings and scroll down or look for members right here. So under the user management, there are actually three options: the members, invites, and bans. So simply click on the members right here, which is the very first option. And then you may be able to see the list of members right here. So first, what you're going to do is to look for that account or that member in which you are going to transfer the um, ownership. So if you cannot see it, you may also search it right here. And then, for example, I will choose this one. You just then simply click on the three dots found on the rightmost part of the member's name. So click on the three dots and then click on transfer ownership right here. And then you should check this one. So you should click on the toggle button and click on transfer ownership. So you make sure to read this first. So I acknowledge that by transferring ownership of this server to the name of that member, it is officially belongs to them. So click on transfer ownership, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can transfer ownership to another account on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.